Experience the future of cannabis with Global Cannabinoid Solutions. Why GCS? Because we're here to revolutionize the cannabis industry and lead the way into a bright, green future. Knowledge is power, and we've harnessed it to supercharge innovation and drive progress in the industry. At Global Cannabinoid Solutions, we're applying cutting-edge scientific know-how to provide you with game-changing solutions right now. Our scientific expertise has already fueled medical research and innovation. Now, we're taking that knowledge to modernize and expand the influence of the cannabis enterprise. We're at the forefront of industry transformation and are driving socially responsible business practices. We're broadening perspectives and opening up new business opportunities. Our mission is to unite knowledge, disseminate it far and wide, and fuel industry growth with principles of modernization, applied science, innovation, acceleration, and social responsibility. Our vision: unleash evolution. At Global Cannabinoid Solutions, we're questioning the status quo. Are you leading the industry, or is it leading you? Is your understanding of cannabis science holding back your company's progress? We're here to reinvigorate the cannabis enterprise with the strategic application of cannabinoid science. We work hand in hand with the cannabis industry to validate and optimize enterprise using expert insights into the science that underpins it. We operate on a global scale, maximizing your investments in both time and money. We're here to galvanize businesses and their leaders, equipping them with the knowledge they need to navigate the challenges of the 21st century. Like an F1 pit crew for the cannabis industry. Everyone knows F1, but not everyone can drive the race car. Most people are observers, fewer drivers or engineers, and very few have the knowledge to innovate and engineer these high-speed vehicles. That's where we come in. Global Cannabinoid Solutions is the pit crew for the cannabis industry. We bring forefront knowledge and science to the cannabis industry racetrack, helping you stay ahead of the curve. Science and sustainability: lead the pack. We're here to help you lead the pack, collaborate instead of competing, innovate and differentiate, and take the lead in the industry. Don't let the industry lead you, lead the way with Global Cannabinoid Solutions. Experience the future of cannabis with us. Visit our website at cannabissciencetraining.com and discover how we can help you build a race-winning vehicle for change. cannabissciencetraining.com